Break ID number 1045. 2017 Origins Football 2-box break. Yeah, this is obviously left. There are 7 spots left in Spectra Basketball. Actually, 7 filler spots left in Spectra Basketball. That's it for that one. The rest of it sold out. 8 spots left in Ascension Basketball. No fillers on this one. So here's the alphabetical list. And randomize it 3 times. Wow. David, Paul, and Sean getting a free spot with their teams. Very nice. Understandable, Keith. Keith, do you know if you were getting the emails? Were they going into spam? Origins. Paul Perkins. Leonard Williams. AP to 299. Corey Coleman to 150. And Dede Westbrook jumbo jersey to 99. It's like an entire carpet. It's a little tiny vacuum cleaner right there. Jaguars, Sean, MO. The emails are definitely going into spam or trash then, or junk. I would check them, because if you pull them out of there, you should be able to get the future ones. Mac Hollins, on card, parallel auto, 11 of 49. To Philadelphia. Sean, MO. And this guy sells well. 3-color RPA, John Ross. To Cincinnati, Paul DE. Shouldn't be the PayPal ones. The PayPal ones should be fine. Should be the other ones. If you can check that, you probably find some in there. And then if you pull them out, the future ones won't go there. Spectra basketball is sold out, but 7 fillers left. Last I checked. Patrick Peterson. Jordan Reed. Luke Kuechly to 299. Todd Gurley to 150. Jumbo jersey, Carlos Henderson to 199. Denver, Sean M.O. And hello. And short print, silver auto, on card 14 of 49, Pat Mahomes. What a nice looking card. Very nice. 2, Kansas City. Paul, D.E. Love it. Looks gradable too. Gorgeous card. And another short print RPA. 1, 2, 3 color RPA. Taywan Taylor. 4 of 25. Tennessee, Paul, D.E. Never disappoints, Origins. We'll have more of that this weekend also. I think there's already one up there. Might even be for tomorrow.